Yes. May I please, Your Lordship? In regard to criminal petition 5 and 6 of 2026, I have filed my IA yesterday. However, it has not been listed today. So if my ladyship may accommodate and...
Okay, if it's ready, just
Ladyship.
tell them to send it. Yeah, give the mention memo. Yeah.
Ladyship.
Please, Your Ladyship. I'd like to mention item 6. I have instructions to appear for respondent 2.
Okay.
So I may be given some time to file my Bakalat number.
Learned counsel for the petitioner, Ms. Grace Namki is present. So learned counsel, Mr. M. Longcomer submits that he has received instructions to appear on behalf of respondent number 2 and therefore prays for 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
3 weeks time to receive instructions. So list after 3 weeks.
Obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
I'm back to mention item number 1 on behalf of Kim Piana. Lordship, kindly this matter be listed after 3 weeks since
My Lord,
dispose.
my Lord, I am for the respondent number 1 here in Your Lordship.
Yes.
And this is a long pending matter, Your Lordship. 2014, it is second time it is coming to this Honorable Court. And actually, in fact, Your Lordship will appreciate that the objection raised and grounds taken by the appellant is wholly covered by this. Recently, this Honorable Court has also passed on in Sunita Ghosh case on 9/2/2026. It is covered by that order, and others also. That Bagga case, it is covered. Then others, all the what it is called grounds are covered by the order of the Supreme Court in favor of the claimant. So, Your Lordship.
Regarding wrong calculation of salary.
No. That Your Lordship, they are objecting that salary certificate has not been author of the salary certificate has not been examined. So in Sunita Ghosh case, this Honorable Court has been pleased to set aside that what it is called aberments of the appellant. Now, otherwise, Your Lordship, they are asking that that accident has not been proved. But Your Lordship will appreciate that in Bagga case.
Mr. Paul, the council is having some problems today.
No,
That's
yes,
why
Your Lordship. Then on Monday, it may be fixed on Monday, Your Lordship.
This matter can be fixed on Thursday.
next Thursday.
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 12 March.
12 March is which day? Aben? Thursday. And if the learned colleague is having a problem, then no problem, Your Lordship. It may be fixed on Thursday, no problem for me.
Learned counsel makes a prayer on behalf of the conducting counsel, Ms. Kim Penyu, to list the matter after a week, as the council has some difficulties today. Learned counsel for the respondents, Mr. P.P. Paul is present and prays that the matter may be listed on 12/3. So list accordingly. Yes.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 2. Yes, Lordship. Lordship, here, if 3 weeks' time may be granted to us, Lordship, to file our amended petition.
To file
Amended petition, yes.
Learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Medovero, prays for 2 weeks.
3 weeks' time.
3 weeks' time to file an amended petition. So prayers allowed list after 2 weeks. Yes.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Lord, I'd like to mention item number 5, Lordship. Lordship, here, item
5. Yes.
Lordship. Lordship, here we'll be filing our interlocutory application to vacate the stay that was passed by this Honorable Court, Lordship, in this instant criminal petition, Lordship.
Why can't we just dispose it off? Have you got the instructions?
Lordship, I will be filing my interlocutory application.
No,
Lordship, in fact, I have filed, but however, due to some inadvertent mistake in the petition, Lordship, it was rejected, Lordship. So I may allow a week's time, Lordship.
Learned Public Prosecutor, Mr. V. Jimomi, submits that the state respondents have filed, will be filing an IA in the present case, and accordingly prays that the matter may be listed after 1 week.
Lordship.
Learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. M. Komniak, is present, so list after a week.
Obliged.
And in the meantime, you have to file your objections also.
Lordship.
Lordship, in the meantime, the interim order may be allowed to
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date. Yes.
For motion, item number 9.
There is your ladyship. Your ladyship, through this petition, the petitioner is invoking the inherent jurisdiction of this honorable court for quashing and setting aside of quashing the proceedings in GR 83 of 2024 to secure the ends of justice.
304.
And 304 is there, your lordship. However, your lordship knows that it is a settled principle of law that by exercising inherent jurisdiction of this honorable court, even non-compoundable matter can
that's
be
there,
quashed.
but then some cases, certain cases, this court may not allow, even if there is a settlement,
Lordship.
depending on the gravity of the sections. And sometimes the settlement may persuade the court to go for a lenient sentence. Lenient sentence, that's all, at best. Anyway, we'll examine. The instant application under section 528 BNSS has been preferred by the petitioner slash accused person for praying for quashing the proceedings and charges against the accused in GR number 83/2024 corresponding to North PS case number 0045/2024.
My lord, may I interfere?
Yes,
I'm the accused number 1 in GR 83. There are 2 accused persons. The petitioner here is accused number 1.
So only accused number 1 has filed.
Only accused number
Okay.
1.
The petitioner, who is the accused number 1? Okay. In GR number 83/2024 corresponding such and such, where he has been charged under sections are the same?
Charging sections are 290,
Is charged under section 290.
290, 323, 325,
323/325
352,
/352
and 304.
and 304
IPC.
IPC.
Also 34.
And 34 IPC. Parallel Learned Counsel for the petitioner, Mr. T. Kezi. Stop. The petitioner, the case of the petitioner is that after the lodging of the FIR, charges framed.
Charges framed, the trial has
Trial
already
has started.
proceeded. Out of 39 witnesses, 11 has been examined.
Okay. States that after the FIR was lodged, an investigation FIR was lodged on 19/5/2024, and investigation has been completed, and the trial is proceeding at this stage, wherein 11 PWs.
11 has been
11
examined.
PWs have already been examined, and the matter is pending before the Court of Sessions Judge.
Principal
Before
District Sessions,
before
yes.
the Sessions Court, Kohima. So it is also stated that during the pendency of the case, during the pendency of the trial, the petitioner and the respondents / complainant have entered into a settlement, a void settlement deed dated 14/2/2026. Stop. It is therefore prayed that in view of the settlement made outside the court between the complainant and the accused persons, the petitioner prays that the proceedings of GR number 83/2024 and the charges against the petitioner may be quashed and set aside. Stop. Learned PP, Mr. Vijimomi has entered appearance on behalf of respondent 1, the state of Nagaland, and therefore no formal notice is called for. Stop. The petitioner shall take steps for notice
My
of
lord,
the respondent number 2. Yes.
I have an interim prayer also. During the pendency of this petition, the proceedings may be stayed.
Okay, wait. Steps for issuance of notice on respondent number 2 by speed post document as well as usual process within 3 working days, least after 4 weeks. In the interim, the proceedings of the GR number 83/2024 shall remain state till the next returnable date. Yes,
I'm obliged.
list of the votes.
For orders, item number 3.
May I please, Your Lordship? My Lord, I have instruction to appear on behalf of respondent number 8. My Lord, kindly allow me 3 weeks' time. In the meantime, I may allow to file my Nagaland number, my Lord.
Respondent 8.
Yes, my Lord.
Learned Counsel Mr. Tipapom submits that he has received instructions to appear on behalf of respondent number 8 and prays for 3 weeks' time to receive instruction and to file his Nagaland. So, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, Ms. Grace Namki is present and has no objections. List after 3 weeks.
Much obliged.
Item number 4.
Yes.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Kim Pianda. In this matter, we could not able to trace the respondent number 2 and 3, who is the driver and the owner. So, Your Lordship, if we may be allowed to serve notice through paper publication.
Learned Counsel, Ms. You are?
Rebecca,
Becca is present for the appellant. It is submitted that the appellants are unable to ascertain the correct address of respondent number 2 and 3, and therefore she prays that they may be allowed to take steps by publication in a local newspaper. They are from Nagaland.
Lordship, yes. Agri colony.
Okay. So, the prayer is allowed. The appellant shall take steps for service on the respondent number 2 and 3 by substituted summon through publication in a local daily circulated in the state of Nagaland. List after 3 weeks. And thereafter file compliance affidavit. List after 3 weeks.
Item number 7.
Yes.
Yes.
Any affidavits filed, any instructions?
No, my lord, my leadership, I'll be appearing for the respondent number 3. So I'll be filing my Nagaland number within a week's time.
Okay.
So I'm given some time to file my
Respondent
Nagaland
3.
number and file my affidavit.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Such and Such present. So Learned Counsel, Mr. Im Tim Song appears on behalf of respondent 2. And Mr. N. Angami for respondent number 1. So Mr. N. Longcomer is present and submits that he has received instructions to appear on behalf of respondent number 3 and prays for 3 weeks, 3 weeks time to file his Nagaland number and to receive instructions. Stop list after 3 weeks.
Obliged.
Item number 8.
None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. List after 2 weeks.
For orders from the supplementary cost list, item number 10.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
The recent IA is filed to implead respondent number 5, 6, and 7. Respondent number 5 is the Commissioner and Secretary, Department of Land Records and Survey, Government of Nagaland. Since the issues pertain to the land records in the Revenue Office, Dimapur, and since the Commissioner Secretary is the head of the department, it is necessary to implead respondent number 5. And respondent number 6 is the Director of Veterinary Animal Husbandry, Kohima. And the issues claim made in the raised in the writ petition is in direct conflict with the claim of the department. of the State Department, Veterinary Department Director. And
The matter is what, regarding land ownership,
not, yes, land ownership.
Allotment, land allotment.
land allotment? So these are necessary party, veterinary and land records?
Lordship, the land is belongs to the veterinary department.
Okay,
And Lordship, here, I'm going to the IA 27, which is listed today. Here is a purely civil, is a writ matter. But petitioner has given the public prosecutor. The nomenclature of public prosecutor used only in the criminal law. So this is also one thing. And in any department, director cannot represent the department. I raise my objection. Initially, the petitioner has filed the district ordinary officer as one of the respondent. So at the time of hearing, the Honorable Court has my objection in the midst of the hearing. Then Honorable Court has given the opportunity to petitioner to amend the parties. And now, after several months, now the petitioner come forward with this IA to implement the necessary parties, as Commissioner Secretary and Land Revenue are one of the respondent, and Director Animal Husbandry as one of the respondent. So as per the rule, Director can never represent the state or
No,
department.
even in the original petition, writ petition, the director is there,
No,
R2.
no,
Just-
district ordinary officer was the original petition.
Oh, yes, district
Yes.
veterinary. So it has to be the HOD, actually, not the HOD, because director is HOD, and then the commissioner and secretary or principal secretary, whoever it will be, that will be the HOD. Because this will be, the instructions will be from the government level only.
Yes.
Not from the district.
Because
So
director is
commissioner
not
and
a,
secretary land records is okay.
yes. In the percentage of case, director is not a necessary party. Because director has nothing to do with this decision making or policy making at all. So my submission is that this
That
petition,
director also can remain, but then additionally, the commissioner and secretary veterinary should come. You have impleted commissioner and secretary land records,
Yes, yes.
but not commissioner and secretary of veterinary and animal husbandry. You just withdraw it and put in
Yeah.
that commissioner and secretary, okay? Department of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry, okay? So the petitioner is allowed to withdraw the IA with liberty to file a fresh request.
Your Honor,
Yes.
will implement the director or will?
No, director also can be there, it's okay, but then the government, at the government level, it will be the commissioner and secretary or principal secretary, whoever is there, okay? Department of Veterinary. You have impleted commissioner and secretary land revenue, that is okay. Then, but for veterinary also the HOD has to be there, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
What did I say? Petition, IA is withdrawn with liberty to file afresh, na? Disposed of and withdraw.
Hello, please.
That motion letters have come, not yet. Then you just call me when it comes. IA is defective.
May I
Your
please,
IA is
Ladyship?
defective and
Ladyship,
rejected.
if that, in that way, if I may be allowed to make my correction in the petition, that will be grateful, Ladyship. There is a
No,
grievous
as per the rules,
urgency.
na, that is not allowed now. Unless you file the amended cost title,
Ladyship.
that correction by pen and all that is not allowed.
Ladyship.
It's not allowed.
Ladyship, then if that is the case, if I may be allowed to withdraw the petition and refile it again,
Yes, you do that. That would be
Ladyship.
better. Yes.
Ladyship.
But how do we know that it has been rejected? Because as of now, only the criminal petition has been listed,
Ladyship, in the
not the
IA,
IA. Okay, I will just say the
Ladyship.
learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the IA which had been filed today,
yesterday,
yes,
Ladyship,
which had been filed on
5th of March.
5/3/2026 was defective, and therefore the matter could not be listed today. She therefore prays that she may be allowed to correct the same, and thereafter thereafter the IA may be allowed to be listed.
Or if I may be allowed to withdraw the whole petition and file afresh.
Okay,
Ladyship,
that's better.
Ladyship.
Defective and certain. What did I say? Last line. Okay, you delete all that. You just say the learned counsel for the petitioner prays that she may be allowed to withdraw the instant petition with liberty to file afresh. I think
Ladyship.
that's better.
Grateful, Ladyship.
Prays allowed, disposed of, and withdraw
There is a
with liberty to file afresh.
extreme urgency, that is why I have to trouble. My apologies. Obliged, Ladyship.